It's time for another hot dish from Happy, Healthy, Wise.
With Daddy!
Hello everybody and welcome to How to Make Your Wife Happy and Healthy. Your taste is going to be thigh high today with this wonderful chicken recipe that's both tender and crispy. So come on everybody, let's get cooking. To start with, we're going to set our oven to a nice low 300 degrees. This is going to be our low and slow baking temperature so that the chicken roasts nice and slow so it gets oh so wonderfully tender. Okay, we're going to start with the citrus marinade. 3 of us love this marinade in our family, but my daughter's not, so we'll do the citrus marinade. If you're not adventurous with this one as much, you don't need to do this one. You can do the simple one. I'll show you that one next. Anyways, the first thing, 1/4 cup of olive oil. Once you got that in, we're going to do the other dry ingredients first. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Next, we're going to add 4 cloves of garlic. I'm going to take away the mixture for a minute. Take away the mixture for a minute. I'm going to peel them over on a trash can. Twist the garlic to break off the outer shell. Peel the garlic. Twist. Take off the outer shell. Once your garlic is peeled, we're going to use a cheese grater to put it into the mixture. It's my favorite way to grind up the garlic, to crush the garlic, to mince the garlic. A nice cheese grater. Lock the garlic in there right now. Next, for our citrus flavor, we're going to zest half the orange. Now, what you didn't see is that I washed this orange already. I want to make sure to wash. And using a zester makes this a lot easier. It's the easiest way to get that peel into your marinade. Get just the zest, not the pith. Okay, that looks like about half the orange. So now we're going to slice it and add the juice of the orange inside. If it has seeds, run the juice through your fingers so that the seeds do not get into the marinade. You can also use a juicer. To that, we're going to add 1 lime. My limes are small. From our trees, we're going to add 2 limes. The zest of each and the juice of each. We're just the zest, not the pith. And these were pre-washed limes. Okay, let's zest the second one. You don't want to cut into the white. The white is pith. It's really bitter. Just the peel. The green part for the lime, the orange part for the orange. That's going to add a lot of citrusy flavor to your marinade. Again, squeeze the juice into your fingers. See that seed that I cut? So that the seeds from the lime do not cut through. Okay, now that we've got our marinade ready, we are going to place the chicken thighs inside. With the skin on, bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. These are a little small, but they're 5 in a pack. Okay. So 3 of us like it this way. So I'm gonna add 2 more. 3 of us prefer it this way, so I'm gonna add 2 more of the chicken thighs into this one. Now we're gonna make sure that the marinade gets all in the chicken, on the skin, all around, to get that flavor all throughout your chicken. I'm gonna set this aside for a minute as I prepare the second marinade. Okay, we're gonna set this aside for a minute. I'm gonna prepare the second marinade. If you don't want to bother with the zesting, peeling, slicing of oranges and limes, you can do the second marinade. Second marinade is a lot easier. For this marinade, I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic. Here's another method for peeling them. Smash them and take off the peels. And I'm going to grate them. You can chop them up. You can leave them just smash and put them in. But I want to grate them because that's going to get a lot of the juices, the oils from the garlic into the dish, which just gets more garlic flavor. Okay, 2 cloves of garlic. Next, we'll take about a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper. Now it's ready for the chicken. Skin on chicken thighs. 1, 2, 3. So 5 for the rest of us. The other sauce, 3 with the simpler sauce. So if you want to use a simpler sauce, you can. It's a nice simple sauce. It works really well. Tastes very good too. This won't have that citrus component that the other sauce is going to have. This one's really simple. Tastes very good. Skin will be very crispy. And the only difference is it won't be as orange, red, brown looking when we're done with it. You'll see the difference when we put them on, when we're done with them. Okay. All right, so they're nice and coated now. So we can go ahead and wash our hands and get ready to put them on the baking sheet. We've gotten rid of our chicken. We put it aside. We're going to put it on our baking tray. To make it more convenient for cleanup, we're going to line the bottom with foil. Using foil on the bottom saves a lot on cleanup. Also, here is an epic food hack. It's time for an epic food hack
with Daddy.
I am going to use cooling racks. These cooling racks are going to suspend the chicken off of the grease, so the grease doesn't get onto the chicken or the marinade while it's cooking. So it's a very good way to elevate whatever you're cooking to keep off the grease that it could be inside with. So let's take the daughter's chicken, the garlic, oil, pepper marinade. And we're going to place those down. Doesn't matter if they're touching, that's quite all right. Then we're going to take the others and put them over here. So keep track of how many there are in here, and you will see the difference as they cook. So 10 chicken thighs, 7 citrusy, 3 garlicky. Now I got them all set up. It's time to stick them in the oven and let them cook for 45 minutes at 300 degrees. Once the 45 minutes is up, we're going to turn up the heat to 425 and then cook it for another 30 minutes, 45 minutes until the top gets nice and crusty brown. So we've got our chicken right here. We're going to slow roast it for the tenderness. So we got the oven set at 300, slow roasted for tenderness. There they go in. Close it up. Set it for 45 minutes. When that's done, we're going to turn up the heat to crisp up the top. Okay, our 45 minutes are up, so let's just take a quick look at the chickens. You can see what it looks like before we blast it with heat to get that top crispy. So you can see lots of juices at the bottom. And it's a little smoky, little tendery, very tender at this point. We want to make sure the top is nice and crispy because that's a really good chicken. So we're going to up the ante. We're going to bake it at 425 degrees. Hit start. There we go. Oh, I see. I'm going to set that time to 30 minutes to check on it. Then we'll be back, check on it, see if it's crispy. If not, we'll leave it another 5, another 5, until it's the crispness we like. Okay, so the 30-minute timer's up. Let's take a look. See how they are. Ooh. You can see the orange and citrusy ones really got blackened on the top, which is not bad. And you can see the just the garlic oiled ones, not so black, not so bad. Let's listen for a crunch, crunch, crunch. Let's use some tongs and see how crunchy the skin might be. Let's see. Ooh, crunchy crunch. Hear that crunch? Ooh, crispy skin. Very nice. Okay, let's take them out and have the kids test them.
Okay. Crunch. Crunch. Very crunchy. Very, very crunchy. And very hot. There's this wonderful garlic flavor that just kind of, I don't know, it makes the entire thing seem, I don't want to say flavorful, I don't know, more warm or something. I could get, it brings me joy, I don't know why. And it's very crispy. I like this crispiness, not too crispy, mine.
There we go. That's what I thought. The chicken itself really doesn't have that much flavor. All the flavors in the skin, because the skin seems to soak up like all this weird like citrus flavor, like we had orange or lemon zest on it or something. I don't know, but it's interesting how it's the chicken itself really isn't that flavorful, and the skin pretty much saves everything.
Happy Healthy Wife, Chef Barry here, reminding you to tear through that like button just as my kids tore through their crispy yet tender chicken thighs. What kind of spice do you like to put on your chicken? Please leave a comment down below letting me know. And if within that comment you can include the word KFC, you'll have a chance at a shout out in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays. Thanks for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.